Good morning, my audience. My name is Dea Ratipa. I am accounting class G. I am sitting here. I am even by listener to answer his question given. The question consisting of 3 parts, namely question on part A deal with the accounting theory, question on part B deal with the accounting video, question on part C deal with accounting article and accounting video, and listen to my answer. Please subscribe and like my video. Well, my dear audience, we begin now and start to answer the question 1. Do you always edit the lecture of English for accounting, and why must you attend the lecture? And what benefits have you got from attending the lecture of English for accounting? Well, my audience, my answer to the question no one is here. Yes, I always edit lecture English accounting Mr. Adi Muslim and be present the 10 times or every class and lead to the card present my colleague. Why should I edit the lecture? Of course, because I think this important and very useful, because technology is also sophisticated as well as every need then to be used later. What else in the accounting? Well, that my answer on number 1. And then number 2, do you subscribe a sign given? If yes, how many voice record have you done? Mention the little and explain the insert and my dear audience. My answer, yes, I think I always to do quiz note. Because we are always given the text by my Mr. Adi. The video is them where have been uploaded private YouTube channel, and so before had record what the Mr. Adi was found is often with additional learning files that have been sent your email. From my note is following some of the little explaining accounting cycle and what is accounting about asset, cash, liabilities, income, basic, and accounting so important. That's well question and number 2. And number 3, you have been asked to sing 2 songs. In group will record your song. Mention the title of your song and explain what does you post the link of song of to a group and post them to do. Well, my dear audience, my answer is number 3. Yeah, I'm song 2 with my friends. The first is constantly song given, but Mr. Adi song, the little is wake up in the morning, and this song tell both it the after if I wake up in the morning. The second song is little in the star, and lyrics of the song tell about meaning true love. And number 4, do you video recording in English accounting? Yes, mentioned the title of article, the videos. You have videos record and explain shoot every article on fight. You have video record. How many video record have you done? Well, I answer is number 4. Yes, I have been video record is English for accounting, and this some of my video mean take accounting English. What is accounting? Capital market, accounting financial, journal, staff of financial, to accounting cycle, manager, and accounting concept, and answer accounting story. Number 5, mention and explain the materials you have studied for your lecture, and what things have you from the material you have studied. Well, my audience might answer number 5. This one material displayed by Mr. Adi on Friday 5 April 2000 and years about the property is for a view or property of anything value. Those given have the asset, and then the owner take cash of other asset from business store personal. The benefit as the central gains now again, and science is accounting department, and we have to forecount accounting English. And thank you say to Mr. Adi. And that's my answer from question on number 5. Well, now I answer the question on part B. 1. The first question. Open the link and you must give the reason where you answer the question, and meet it's the link where you might answer to number 1 is here. That's I grade accounting tutorial for the basic of accounting for beginning, the asset way to keep debit and credit, asset and liability, plus equality, accounting execution tracing. And this video has very basic explain and can be used most different situation. Number 2, and then I protect the question of number 2. Business transaction following is a list of common transaction. A. Reference cash from common stock. B. Forecast surplus forecast. C. Forecast action of account. D. Billed counter for service on account. E. Paid creditor on account. F. Reverse cash from customer billed account. G. Paid ref the month. Hey, revert primary of service from customer, and last paid cash difference. As the transaction will affect the accounting action in of the one following way. 1. I create an asset in liberty. 2. And Christian is asset in owner's equity. 3. This very and liberty. 4. Listen in another asset. 5. Accounting excitation given reason why efficient division. Well, so number 2 is here transaction a verified case of common stock transaction, B transaction supplies of cash, and C for first equipment on accounting, and D billed customer, paid creditor, reverse cash, and G paid rent for month, revenge payment, and last I paid the cash. Well, there my answer is the question number 2 for extraction different the account. And 3 question is problem debit and credit. Issue common to shoulder for cash what recorded as debit to cash and credit common stock and credit to additional paid capital credit, so their account and be paid rent for current month while record a debit to million expense and credit to rent expense. C for surplus on account was recorded as debit to surplus and credit to payable, and D payment to creditor and account was recorded and debit to account payable credit to cash and process. We have to spend the money, reverse cash from customer, bill account was recorded debit to cash, and G payment of cash given to stockholder was recorded as different payable and liability account. Flight payment for 3 years income polish, income as liability expense credit to cash, and Z depends of cash service to profit in vitro was recorded. That's my answer or the question on part B, and process to the question on part C deal with the article video where I answer the question of the part C. So sorry, deal with the article and video accounting. The first question, that's all my question number 1 and 2 about capital market article. The definition capital market is market where buyers and sellers again trade of financial security like a bond, stock, and perpetrates as individual interaction. The question, capital market have channel surplus from saver to which then infine them to produce. General, this market trend is mostly is long-term security. Capital market consists of primary market and second market. Primary market deal with trade of issue of stock, deal with the change existing value issues security. Another important is capital market and made basic nature security traded stock market, bond market. Well, that's answer question number 2, and then protect question number 3. Well, my answer, the first video, the little is counting basic, the speaker is listen channel the consistent in this video. The session is basic industrial to what is accounting. This session is beginner student, working professional, and who was to learn accounting. This tutorial will help you about counting. Explain of two neighbors You will also understand uh, accounting basic and concept. To what is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? 3 why should you learning accounting? And for some use application, learning accounting is easy one. And the second video, the Little Israel personal nominal account and golden rules for accounting. The speaker is Nina Vaini. In this video, she is explaining about the pricing theory of type of account debit and credit, or so knows your golden rule of accounting. My answer is finally. Thank you, sir. This is my last my answer. Thank you. Good morning.